This webinar is not just another update. This is something long awaited, something you, our dealers, but also architects, interior designers, people you've been working on have been asking us for years. So let's begin. Welcome to the world premiere of FLOGS 990, a fireplace which brings the atmosphere of a wood-burning fire to the world of ethanol fireplaces. So just if you look at the video, if you look at this, these logs look exactly like real wood. They're beautifully shaped, deeply textured. What's the difference, you may ask? The difference is great. These logs will never, ever burn out. They're surrounded by flames in such a natural way that it's actually hard to believe you're not looking at an actual real wood fireplace. And as you will know, for years, you and us, we've been getting many inquiries from our customers who love the clean, minimalistic looks of the FLA4 burners. However, some still dreams of something more traditional, something with depth, glow, the illusion of burning wood, and FLOGS is our answer. A realistic wood fire look with all the benefits of the BEV technology. The benefits that you're so familiar with. No smell, no smoke, and no chimney. And with the no chimney, you'll see a little asterisk. I'll expand a little bit on this further on. And here's the part which surprises everyone. Even though the visual effect of the FLOGS is completely new, the heart of the fireplace is actually the same as it is in the FLA4 fire that you're so familiar with. So FLOGS 990 is entirely built on the FLA4 platform, which means all the advanced features, all the advanced toys to play with remain unchanged, starting with, most importantly, the BEV technology. Along this come the 6 flame levels, the safety sensors, the included remote control, the included mobile app, and the optional smart home system module. So despite, while the look is revolutionary, the logic and the reliability of the fireplace is exactly what you're already familiar with. Okay, let's speak changes. What really changed? The first important thing you'll have to know, the dimensions of the burner remain identical to the FLA4. This means you can offer FLOGS in all projects which are designed around our trusty FLA4 fires. The real innovation, however, is inside of the burner, which has been redesigned in 3D to create deeper, more dynamic flame movement. What we're also introducing is an entirely new decoration system based on our new generation of ceramic logs. The logs rest on precise support elements, and they do 2 things. First, importantly, they guide vapors in the correct direction, but second, they make the logs look like they're actually burning, even though they remain completely outside the flame. So the flame actually wraps around the logs without actually touching them, creating an incredibly warm 3-dimensional visual effect. Now, we wanted to also focus on important sales communication of FLOGS when speaking with customers. So this is the message to all the marketing heads. We never say the logs are burning. Don't say that. Say the logs are surrounded by the flame. They create the illusion of burning wood. Why? Well, the answer is very, very straightforward. This way, customers will understand. They get the traditional look that they want without any ash, without any smoke, and without any degrading materials. So with that out of the way, with the main product out of the way, let's take a look at the 3 installation options possible with the FLOGS burner. Starting with the FLOGS burner, which is the first option here. It's simply what you will imagine as a FLOGS insert. This is perfect for custom projects. And again, here the installation logic is generally the same as it is with the FLA4 fires. And on top of this, the FLOGS burners are also available with an adaptive frame. So again, just like the good old FLA4. Now we move on to even more exciting territory, FLOGS burner with a former casing. This option is something, well, you may say we're already familiar with, and that's true. As you know, former casings can be cladded with combustible materials. and they allow for easy TV set installation above the fireplace as well. So now you can enjoy the ease of the Forma installation with a brand new burner type. The FLOGS Forma also comes, this is news for you, with new higher glass panels, which are included in all layouts of the fireplace. So for you, but also for contractors, this fireplace will make installations much simpler and much faster. And now the third version, which I'll reveal from behind my back, the third version, the third option is FLOGS with chimney connection. This version is ideal for projects requiring a balanced flue system, so something you may be familiar with, which is very common in areas like Switzerland, the Alps. This is also ideal for designs where the architects or designers want to extract excess heat, something common in hotter territories, Middle Eastern countries, south of Spain, south of Italy. This gives flexibility for open fire look, plus the possibility to lead the heat out of the room whenever this is necessary. Let's now speak about the compatibility. FLOGS, as I mentioned before, is compatible with the frame system for protective glass. This frame is required wherever the fire is open on two longer sides. So whenever you're working with a tunnel situation, with an island situation, a room divider situation, this you'll be familiar with. We do require the frame to be used for extra draft protection. And we'll send you all the renders, the prices, as soon as we're ready with the update of these. But one thing I wanted to speak to you about is also durability, which is a very quick but very important point. These ceramic logs, extremely durable. They will not degrade, they will not burn, they will not require any replacement. So these are designed for long-term premium use.